Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to pay your Kohl's credit card in 2025. With the new year bringing potential updates to payment systems, staying on top of this is key to avoiding late fees and keeping your credit score in tip-top shape. Whether you're a longtime Kohl's fan or just got your card, this step-by-step guide will have you paying like a pro in no time. First off, let's start with the most convenient option, online payments. Head over to the Kohl's website or download their app. It's super user-friendly. Log in to your account using your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Bill Pay or Payments section. Enter your payment amount, select your bank account or credit card as the source, and confirm. It's that simple. Remember, in 2025, Kohl's might have enhanced security features, like biometric verification, so keep an eye out for that. If you're not into online stuff, you can pay in store. Just visit any Kohl's location with your billing statement or card details. Head to the customer service desk, and a friendly associate will process your payment on the spot. This method is great if you want to combine it with some shopping. Another option is paying by phone. Call the Kohl's customer service number, which you can find on your statement or their website. Follow the automated prompts to make a payment using your debit or credit card. It's quick, but double-check for any processing fees. Don't forget about mailing a check. Write a check or money order payable to Kohl's, include your account number, and send it to the address on your statement. Allow extra time for delivery, especially with potential 2025 postal changes. A few pro tips to wrap this up. Always pay on time to avoid interest charges. Set up autopay if possible. Keep track of due dates through the Kohl's app notifications, and review your statement for any errors. In 2025, look for eco-friendly payment options Kohl's might introduce. There you have it. Paying your Kohl's credit card doesn't have to be a hassle. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.